Alright, so today we're going to look at how we categorize scientific findings and claims. So in science, new data, ideas, and theories are created every day. It's important, before we begin to look at current scientific findings, that we understand some terms scientists use to classify what type of claim they are making. So here we're talking really about facts, theories, laws, beliefs, and hypotheses. Okay, so what is a fact? I feel like we've all talked about, facts, and we all kind of know what facts are. But specifically, we're talking about a phenomenon, so something that's occurring repeatedly that's confirmed by observation, so something we see. Okay? So why are facts the lowest on scientists' list? Facts are important, but they're not permanent. So facts can continuously change as new information, often through the use of technology, becomes available. And then facts are also limited by what the observer, or how much an observer can actually see. So today, I'm wearing a red pullover. Okay, that is a fact. You can see that I'm wearing a red pullover, but tomorrow I might not be wearing this. I might be wearing a black pullover. And so that fact will change, okay, based on kind of what we see. And it's all about what the observer can see as well. You can't really make a claim on what color my shoes are right now, or even if I'm wearing shoes, because you can't see my shoes. Therefore, you can't say it's a fact. A hypothesis. So a hypothesis is an explanation of one or more phenomena in nature that can be tested by observations, experiments, or both. Okay? So a hypothesis is a proposed answer to a research question. Hypotheses are testable, and that's really important, testable, and can be confirmed or not confirmed by observation. Hypotheses are very important in the development of scientific explanations. So here's a hypothesis for you. I hypothesize that if I drink 2 gallons of water in the morning, I will have to use the bathroom a lot of times throughout the day. So that's testable, right? I can wake up and I can drink 2 gallons of water, and then I can track how many times I have to use the restroom. Okay, if I end up using the restroom a lot more than I would on a normal day, we can confirm the hypothesis that I would have to use the restroom a lot if I drink 2 gallons of water every morning. All right, a theory. So a theory is a well-substantiated explanation of some aspect of the natural world that incorporates facts, tested hypotheses, laws, and inferences. A scientific theory is built upon the data and conclusions from many tested and repeatable experiments. A scientific theory does not violate scientific laws, and we'll talk about scientific laws in just a minute. So just some ideas of theories are like the theory of evolution and the Big Bang theory, cell theory, atomic theory. So something that we've it incorporates facts, tested hypothesis, and laws that kind of bring us to this idea of what the theory is. And then, what is a law? So a law is a description of how something will occur under natural circumstances. Scientific laws are used to predict behavior. Scientific laws explain repeatable behavior and are used to make future predictions. And it is often a mathematical statement of how 2 or more quantities relate to each other. So the common law, we have about 4 laws, but I think the most common one would be the law of gravitation. Okay, so if we look at something that's repeatable, if I jump up, I know what's going to happen. I'm going to come right back down. Okay, we see it repeatable every time. There's never a time that I jump and then just continue to float. Okay, so the law of gravity is that when I jump, I'm going to come right back down. And lastly, what is a belief? Okay, so it's the mental act, so thinking about it, condition or habit of placing trust in something. We all have beliefs which are important to us, but science is not about beliefs. Okay, so in science, we focus on making observations and measurements, which are facts, to provide evidence to support claims, which are like hypotheses, theories, and laws. And scientific explanations are evidence-supported claims. So one belief I have is that Harry Potter is the best of all fantasy novels. Okay, but that's not a fact, right? Not everyone believes that. and it isn't based, or it's not supported by like hypothesis, theories, or laws, right? It's just something I believe. We all have different beliefs, but it doesn't necessarily make them true for everyone.